Hadian bala Plie ya artli ki community hall harat nong beri bat hapada kendeng menta kesngi ka arpun riu tarik ujemang arajar arpulai layok biang ban Plie Kawei ka community hall Jirang community reserve. Hakani kesngi lawan ban Plie da USM Sahai IFS Principal Chief Conservator of Forest and Chief Wildlife Warden Meghalaya kum u Chief Guest UPK Agrahari IFS CCF Wildlife UHC Chaudhry IFS PCCF Meghalaya ULSJ Waklang RFU Kisiem Kahima Jirang bat ki members jong Kahima na kaliang ka office kila thong ro yo uding ban penne pensa e kami mariang bat ro la samya ulet bulb bat ke pelajan kum si benta ban kentio ya commission live ka bala pelida Narendra Modi.
Community of this area. That's the basically main aim of this entire initiative. Regarding the concept of this one, community reserves, we know that preservation and conservation of forest and wildlife is traditionally in the I would say in the tradition of the people here in the state of Meghalaya, and that's why people in such a large number are coming forward to join hands with the forest department to bring more and more areas under joint efforts of conservation. We have at present 83 community reserves, which is second highest in the country. That's really commendable. And I really hope that more and more such areas will come under the joint collaboration between people and the forest department. Forest department, by way of this institution of community reserve provided under the provisions of the Wildlife Protection Act, the department also gets chance to basically chip in and do certain things by way of different schemes to create small infrastructures and to basically build a relation between the people of the area with the purpose of conservation and preservation of forest and biodiversity of that area. Another thing I would say, looking into the banner here, another thing where we can really join hands is the Mission Life, which is a campaign of Honorable Prime Minister, where he has urged all the citizens to kind of take a pledge to adopt their lives, which is environment friendly, which is very much required and need of the hour, I would say. So, for that purpose also, it's very important to build a long-lasting relationships between the department and the people of the area. And I really hope that in future, our relations and our collaboration will become more and more stronger as the time goes by. And with this, I really congratulate you all and thank you so much.